Good morning. This is Meservation Mathematics Institute. In this short video, we briefly want to look into the introduction to fluid mechanics. Whenever we are given any topic of this form, you have to look into all the words there. The introduction simply means that you are introducing something. And the second word there is the fluid. A fluid is either a liquid or a gas. And the mechanics deals with what? Movement. When something is in motion, and the second one is rest. When something is static. Looking at this, the way we have done this, we have said a fluid is either a liquid or a gas, and the mechanism deals with something that is moving, which is in motion, or at rest, that is not moving at all. Now, from the two words, we can combine the two words into a fluid mechanism, which can be defined as a liquid or a gas in motion or at rest. So at this point now, we are trying as much as possible to understand what we want to go into. And this motion simply means that you have a senior analysis of such. We have a fluid dynamics, and fluid static. Now, we are talking about a fluid dynamics and a fluid static because this is a fluid. We have concluded that it's either a liquid or a gas, and the motion is something that is dynamic. Dynamic simply means something that is moving. So the liquid or gas that is moving, that is in motion, that is fluid dynamics, and the liquid or gas that is at a point of rest, that is called the fluid static. So everything we are doing under the fluid mechanism has to do with either the fluid dynamics or the fluid static. And how does this relate to mathematics? Because when you're treating everything that is with fluid dynamics and fluid statics, which is the general fluid mechanism, there are so many problems that cannot be solved until something is introduced called numerical methods. These numerical methods are the methods that are used to solve problems that cannot be solved in areas of such, which is fluid dynamics and which is also fluid static. That is the general name for fluid mechanism. And in a normal concept, let's look into the fluid mechanism. We have our bowl at home. We have our water in a bowl. We can see that water is at rest in the bowl. That is fluid static. And when we talk about the fluid dynamics, when you have our tap, when you open our tap, water starts to come out from the tap. It's moving from the tap to the bucket or the vessel that contains that. That is called fluid dynamics. And we'll be treating all topics relating to the movement of fluid or gas at rest or in motion. So we have only introduced the introduction to fluid mechanism because we have to look into numerical methods. So in the next video, we'll briefly talk about the introduction to numerical analysis before we move into the main content, whereby we teach all topics, starting from the point of fluid mechanism to the point of the latest research on fluid mechanics. Thank you.